Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheesecake using an air fryer. First, select a springform pan that fits your air fryer basket. Usually a 6 or 7 inch size works best. Make sure your cream cheese and eggs are at room temperature. This helps create a wonderfully smooth and lump-free batter. Then, press your graham cracker crust firmly into the bottom of the pan. This foundational step ensures a perfect base for your delicious dessert. Now, let's create that creamy cheesecake filling. Start by beating your softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth and airy. Gradually add sugar, mixing until just combined. Then, incorporate your eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully mixed before adding the next. Finish with a splash of vanilla extract and a hint of lemon juice to brighten the flavors. Don't overmix, we want a delicate texture. It's time to air fry. Preheat your air fryer to 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Carefully place your cheesecake pan into the basket. Cook for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. The cheesecake should have slightly set edges, but still show a slight jiggle in the center. This indicates it's perfectly cooked and will continue to firm up beautifully as it cools. Avoid opening the air fryer too often. Once cooked, turn off your air fryer and let the cheesecake rest inside for about 15 minutes. This gradual cooling helps prevent cracks. Then, carefully remove it and let it cool completely on a wire rack for at least 1 hour. For the best texture and flavor, chill your cheesecake in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours or even overnight. Slice and enjoy your perfectly air-fried cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.